Hi guys, welcome back. We're going to try to buy us another year or two on the roof on the trailer. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this basically a cool seal on top of it, and it should last for at least a couple of years. I hope to have it done for them, but it's kind of like a cool seal. It's a rubberized coating for the roof, for a metal roof. So we're going to put that on there, but I'm also going to screw down put a couple screws in the metal roof, because when the wind blows these old trailers, the metal roof will flop a little bit. So I'm going to screw it down a little bit before we put this in, but this is the regular metal roofing screws with the rubber washers and stuff. So anyway, we'll get our stuff together and we'll get started. This stuff's pretty thick. I just get one through the center, all the way down, then one on the other side.
It's like they just folded one big old piece of metal over it most of the spots.
That's exactly how they make them.
When you do a roof on this, are you going to do metal or shingles?
Green metal.
That's what I figured.
Then
Everything else has got the green metal.
See, even in the winter time, see how this is always in the sun right here?
Yeah.
I'm going to put 12 panels down that side, I'm going to put 12 panels on this side.
Okay. There's panels everywhere.
That'll be
Do it.
That'll be a total of 60. Okay?
Yeah. Well, these roofs aren't real thick anyhow. I mean, they're
it's just like sheet metal.
Yeah. Even from the underside, it's like they're real thin.
Yeah. Well, it's definitely real thin. I'll try not to cut. Alrighty guys, I got a little over, you can't really see it too good up there, but without going up there, I got a little over half of it. The metal screws put in with the rubber washers. I'm screwing it down as I go. I'm gonna do half of it and he's gonna paint the other half, back and forth, whatever. But anyway, we got half of it screwed down now, we're gonna start painting on it. Hey, Bubba. Yeah. Right there's the 12 solar panels on the front porch that I was talking about. Couldn't never see them until now. 6 and 6. That's the ones on the back porch. 4 of them up there. There's a look at the barn, solar panels on the barn right there. I'm gonna replace that vent cover right there. It's broke off. I didn't know it was broke off. Yeah, I'm gonna get a whole nother boot and everything to go over that, cover that up. And these are here, I may put some tar on those, but they look pretty good. Other than that, everything else looks pretty good. Howdy. We got the first coat on. All the way, both sides. Pretty good. Then I screwed it down. Got the, I don't know if you can see the screws in there. I went through there every 2 foot. 3 different places on each side. Screwed it down better. But anyway, that's the first coat. I let that. Alrighty guys, first coat's on and pretty much dry. You can see where it's kind of light in spots, so that's why they recommend at least 2 coats. You can see kind of where it's bleeding through a little bit. So we're gonna get our stuff back up here and get that second coat down. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, the second coat is on. Just waiting for it to dry. But that's all I'm gonna put on it for right now. See how this turns out. Second coat we actually put on pretty thick. Anyway, here's how it turned out. It's a little crooked on that tape, but that's like flashing tape that's on there. That's held up for good, what, 3 or 4 years now, so they just get a little better there, but I don't care about that because I'm gonna actually tear that back down anyway. I'm gonna tear that back porch off whenever we extend the house. But that should buy us at least 2 or 3 more years. It won't, I hope it don't take us that long to get the extension built on the house, but just in case, that'll be 2 or 3 more years right there, hopefully, with sealing the roof. It's never had anything put on it since it was factory. It's had the factory coating on it. Well, rust is what it was, but The factory put some kind of like stuff like this on it from the factory, but it was all gone, as y'all seen in the video before. We didn't film the whole second coat because it's kind of like washing dishes. Wash, rinse, repeat type thing. So anyway, you can see I put the screws in. And yeah, I know they're crooked through there, and I don't care. It's just to hold the metal. Whenever they build these things, they just cap the metal over it like that. They don't fasten it through here. It's just fastened on the ends, on the edges, all the way around the edges. It's not fastened on the top. So that's for real high winds, you'll hear it go flopping a little bit. That's the reason I put those screws in it. To, like I said, buy me more time. I don't want the roof just blowing off the thing. But anyway, whenever we get the other extension part built over here, I'm gonna roof over the whole entire thing, so you ain't gonna see this anymore anyway. And you can't buy the silver looking stuff anymore. It's all white like this. The roof coating, it's all white for some odd reason. I don't know why. It used to be silver. It used to go on white and dry silver, but now it just white and dries white. So I mean, as you can see, it's pretty thick. You know, we left it runny in spots because, you know, I don't look at it, so I don't care. But anyway guys, if you ain't done so yet, please like, comment, subscribe, whatever, suggestions. I'll take whatever you got. Anyway, thank you.